Hello friends, my name is Yuri. In today's lesson I will tell you what you should do if nothing good happen in your trading, like you always lose money and you don't know how to recover from that pit. That's why let's go to that lesson and cover that topic. For a start, what you need to understand, you need to accept that that can happen and you can do some mistakes, and it's like you even have strategy and there could be 1 month, 2 months in a row when you lose money. And it's okay, it's a part of this business. It's like you have expenses in your business, real business. It's the same like here, you have negative months, it's your expenses. You need to be okay, and first what you need to do, you don't need to over trade because sometimes in a place when nothing good happen, like you cannot catch trade, you cannot win, you try to do more entries, you try to increase your volume, but in the end you will blow out more. I have friends who have hedge funds, and what they told to me, every time when trader ask for increase risk per day, after when he hit maximum point of risk per day, there were only 1% of days when trader recovers that when he lose money. That's what that means for you. When you see that you have bad tradings in a row, you need to stop, you need to analyze, you need to decrease your volume. What after that? Also you need to find a mentor and a person who have more experience than you in trading. Why it's so important? Because sometimes we repeat mistakes and we don't see them. I remember myself 4 years ago when I didn't know how to set stop losses properly, and I even didn't know that it's important in trading. And what happened after that, when I will learn how to do it. My trading changed completely, but I learned it when I bought consultation from really experienced trader who had 10 years of experience, and he showed to me that it's important to set stop losses. Sometimes you don't need what you should do. That's why you should find a mentor who will help you. The same like with doctor. You do not care for yourself, like you need to some surgery. You going to surgeon if you need to do that. You don't do it by yourself. Because you don't have enough experience in that field. The same in trading. You need to find those who will care for you, who will help you. Yes, it will cost money, but believe me, result will be awesome. Third things which you can do if you want to like stop your negative trades, like stop your series of negative entries when nothing good happen. You need to take a pause, like stop trading, don't trade for a few months, for 1 month, for a few weeks. Sometimes you don't know even how much time you need to take for a rest, but it's important to take that rest. I saw some examples in a gym, like you want to push up 100 kilograms, but sometimes like you go to 95 and you cannot push 100 kilograms. And I saw when bodybuilders took a break, like a two-week break, and after that when they came back, they did it and their result were better. That's why rest from your trades and analyze. Friends, I hope this lesson was useful for you. If you think this lesson is useful right now, push like on our YouTube channel. Also subscribe, push subscribe button and share it with your friends if you think this video is useful. And also below this video you can write a comment what you do when you have many negative entries in a row. Thank you for your time. Bye.